how to change the long press of your crown button here for your Amazfit smartwatch or the Amazfit Balance smartwatch here to access another function. So I'll show you now how to get into these settings here, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we'll just come out of here. Basically, when you are in the clock face view mode here, you're viewing the clock face, you'll swipe from the very top here like this until you see these toggles here. You'll go into the settings option, and as you tap on that, you'll see all the different settings of your Amazfit smartwatch. Next up, I want you to go down and keep going down until you see preferences, this one here. As you enter into the preferences section, you want to keep going down until you see the long press upper button, which is for this button here, okay? Not a single press, it's a long press. So when you go here now, and at default, out of the box, when you long press it, it's gonna access the Alexa. So if you don't want that here, you can choose from the many different options. You can choose to be offline, readiness, heart rate. If you wanna quickly access your heart rate to get an idea of what's going on, you can set it to that here. And when I long press this now, it's gonna take me straight to the heart rate measuring option here, okay? So if you've been looking for these settings here, you can do that. And you can choose from the different ones that you prefer. And yes, you can come back to choose it to another one. But by the looks of it, it doesn't seem like there is a none option, which means when you long press it, nothing will happen. Seems like there is something to be selected in order for it to just, be there for existence, okay? So hopefully this guide helped you, and like and sub.